Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to single crochet. Okay, so I'm using my 6mm hook and some acrylic yarn, but you can use any size hook you want. Okay, this works for anything. Alright, to start, I've made a slip knot. I'll leave a link in the description for my beginners playlist. Show you the video how to do this and how to chain. Okay, so once you've mastered those, you just make a slip knot and chain. Just going to show you, I'm going to chain 11. So that's 1, 2, right, okay, so that's my chain. You can see each of these V's is one chain, so there's 1 there, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do as many as you want. Okay, so to single crochet, I'm going to skip this chain. It's going to be my turning chain, and I'm going to go into the top of this chain. Okay, so just that top loop there. I'm going to put my hook in there. All right. So just in the top of that chain. Okay, once your hook is in the top of the second chain, you want to put your yarn on top of your hook. Okay, put your yarn on top, which will mean that the hook will pull it down, bring it through that top loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. Put your hook in front of your yarn, bring it under the hook, and pull it through both loops. Right? So I'll show you again. Go into the top of the chain. Put your yarn on top of the hook. Pull it through that chain. Now you have 2 loops. And you want to put your hook in front of your yarn, under the hook, and pull it through both loops. Alright, so your hook goes in the top of the chain. Okay, yarn on top of the hook, pull it through that chain. There's your 2 loops. Okay. Hook on top of the yarn, right, under the hook. And if it's easier, you can just pull it through 1 loop and then 2 loops. Sometimes it's hard to pull it through both loops at the same time. Okay, so in through the top of the chain. Okay, yarn on top of the hook, pull it through that chain, 2 loops. Okay, yarn behind the hook and under there, and then pull it through 1 and 2 loops. Okay, so into the chain, yarn on top of the hook, pull it through the chain, 2 loops, yarn behind the hook and underneath, right, and pull it through both loops. Okay. You can always slow this video down if I'm going too fast. Go through the chain, yarn on top of the hook, pull it through, 2 loops, yarn behind the hook and over, pull it through both loops. Okay. Through the chain, yarn on top of the hook, pull it through that first loop. Okay. Hook on top of the yarn and under that hook. And through both loops. And through the chain, yarn on top of the hook, pull it through 2 loops, yarn behind the hook and under, so behind the hook and under, pull it through both loops. Okay, through the chain, yarn over the hook, pull it through 1 loop, now we have 2, yarn behind the hook and under, pull it through both loops. Okay, so this is a very simple stitch, and this is the one I use for all my toys. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.